Hi everyone, and welcome to today's episode of Cooking with Celebrate. As we start to begin the merriment and holiday cheer, we're going to make one of our fan favorites, frozen protein hot chocolate. Come join me as we make our favorite holiday beverage. The ingredients are 1 serving chocolate rebuild protein powder, 8 ounces milk or dairy alternative, 1.5 cups ice, sugar-free whipped topping, mini marshmallows. Okay, so this is going to be another simple holiday beverage recipe. You could even spice this up a little bit if you wanted to add some like cayenne pepper to it, but we're going to keep it pretty mellow. So you will start by adding your ice to your blender. Then we will add this is reduced fat milk, but again, you can use any type of milk, whether it's skim milk or dairy alternative if you cannot tolerate milk, whatever you like to mix within your typical shakes that you make. Then we're going to add our rebuild chocolate protein powder. And we're going to mix this on high. So after you mix everything in the blender, you're going to take your favorite holiday mug and you're going to pour your frozen protein hot chocolate mix right into the mug. And then you're going to top it with your whipped topping of choice. And then you're going to add your mini marshmallows right on top. And there you have our frozen protein hot chocolate. A wonderful holiday, nice, high protein, low sugar beverage that you can have to enjoy with friends and family during the holiday season. Thanks for joining us. We wish you Merry Christmas if you celebrate and Happy Holidays. And tune in next time for our next Cooking with Celebrate episode.